I'm going to get plastic surgery. Ha 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 ha.
Good morning. I'll be your plastic surgeon.
Yay. I now look like Albert the Gamer, 2006. Thank you, doctor.
What a wonderful day. Wow. Look at all of that moolah. Gotta be around $5,000,097 in there.
Yeah. The tooth fairy must have been quite generous. Wait a minute. Did you lose a tooth?
This money isn't ours. We must return it.
You are under arrest for armed robbery.
This is your cell. Get in there right now.
Give me everything, or else.
Please don't shoot.
I have new evidence.
Oh yeah, I see.
You are free to go.
Now, I'm revealing your true identity forever via magic. I knew it.
How dare you steal Albert the Gamer 2006 profile pic and then steal his car to frame him for robbing a bank? That's it. You will be staying in jail for a very long time.
Now, we're safe at home. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.